Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Today guys, I'm going to show you to maneuver around your Windows, meaning how to make a Windows full screen or minimize on your iPad. So for example, this is the iPad, it doesn't matter which one, latest update. So for example, let's say I go into settings, and of course, let's say I'm here in settings. You'll notice the window. If I swipe up, it minimizes. If I tap again, it will come back. Now, of course, you have other options as well. You can actually minimize a window. So for example, if this was a full-on Mac, I could tap that option in the upper left and it would make the window shrink to half or roughly half the size of the screen. Or of course, I could make it maximum. Now, by default, they're maximum. So in order to downsize a window, you can look right here in the lower left. There's an icon. Swipe out from the side of the screen and you'll notice here you can actually minimize a window to your liking. All right, so let me go again. So you can actually resize the window to your liking. All right, or I could simply swipe, do a quick swipe like that, just quick swipe, and it will give me the window. So here's the window. If I swipe up now, it moves it to a side, and if I tap, it comes back. So swipe up while it's minimized, it pushes it to the side, and I tap again, it comes out. So it's up to you and how you like your windows. And of course, if I want it to be full screen again, I simply go here and swipe. It will go back. But sometimes even now, it's still not fully in the way that you would want. So I can simply swipe again, or better yet, double tap, it will go back full screen. So there it is, back to full screen, and it's behaving normally. Here it is now to a minimized window. All right, if I want full screen again, I double tap and it's back to full screen. All right, so swipe out, I can use it like this, or I can resize the window. All right, and it all works perfectly. All right, the proper way to do it though, without the shortcuts and quick maneuvers, is to tap once it's minimized. So let's say you're at full screen and you're not seeing the options normally to minimize and so on, and I do this. Notice it is now controlled. You can tap now once it's controlled here, and there you go, maximum. So instead of double tapping on here, you can actually do the maximum here and it will go back. I can minimize, as seen it's minimized. I can bring it back up, or I can close it like this, or I can swipe up to bring up the menu options if something is open, and of course I can close the menu bar if I have several things open at the same time. All right, so you get the idea. All right, so I can close out. All right, so that's how to basically resize windows, how to close them, and how to maneuver around. Hope that was useful. Remember to access the quick start menu. It's totally different. We have a separate tutorial to see all the open windows. So I'm in the tutorial here. See you in the next one. Bye.